I've been interested in food and cooking for a very long time. I developed my love for cooking and for good food when I was a teenager from my dad and cooked for a very, very long time. I started cooking professionally about 20 years ago and started where everybody else starts, and I washed dishes and moved through the restaurant, worked different stations, and decided what I really wanted to do was amp up my career by going to culinary arts school. So I went to Johnson Wales in Charleston, South Carolina, and when I graduated, I started looking at different career paths and really kind of discovered that education is a thing I truly love to do. When students enroll in the culinary arts program, we have a couple of expectations. Passion for what they're doing, that they're really passionate about food, and inherent curiosity. Somebody that is curious beyond simply just learning a fact or learning how to do a thing. They really want to learn about it at a deeper level. And when you have a student that wants to learn at that level, you've got instructors that can teach them at that level.